Pag meron ka nito habang ini-interview ka ng immigration officer, for sure, ma-offload ka. Number 1, peke ang mga documents mo. Like, peke yung passport mo, mga identification mo, birth certificate, affidavit of support, or kahit anong document mo, peke. If they find out na kahit isang document lang na-provide mo ay peke, nako, ma-offload ka. And it's not just that. It will be recorded permanently na sa kanilang database. Pag ito yung reason na na-offload ka, it will cost you big time. Sa mga future travels mo, mahihirapan ka na talaga. So guys, please lang, make sure all of your documents are legit. Number 2, yung binook mo na ticket, one way lang. As a tourist, you have to assure them na babalik ka talaga sa Pilipinas. Pero, pag one way lang yung ticket mo, sa mind kasi ng immigration officer, parang hindi na ata babalik to sa Pilipinas So that's already a red flag for them. Which means, ma-offload ka talaga. Kaya guys, huwag niyong gawin to. Unless if OFW ka or nag-work ka overseas, that's an exception. Pero pag tourist ka, huwag mag-book ng one way. Dapat round trip, okay? And last but not the least, number 3, lagpas yung return date mo sa visa-free limit. Let's say Hong Kong. 14 days lang yung visa-free natin doon as Filipinos. Pero yung nakita nila na yung return flight mo is lagpas 14 days, for sure, red flag yan sa kanila. And that means, ma-offload ka. So before ka mag-visit any country, make sure you research first kung ilang days lang yung visa-free nila before you're going to book a flight. This is not only applicable for first-time travelers, but also for experienced travelers as well. So save and bookmark this video and follow me for more travel tips.